de Lorcán Ceoltóirí Éireann. Las Kiedara is aware is a yamush is a gini cora father and gedalchas is minlam ma weekus kriya gawalya basan firkin folja a Dervish room Heaney is red ma van keye saibin. Agus an orire is privilege agus kun che glitter ma krive shalim agus she de kilure der kan keye mar Cultúrga gábhílas a tríide. Is a carénú réige go bhfuil siad a carfáilseo le Fleadh Cheoil na hÉireann. Tréis lír le as an gára de bhainteach agus tá éachta teanta ag an ciste is gach duine is gach éagras a bhí cuidiú lo. I have to say I am delighted to be here and in the first instance to be able to congratulate Derry Londonderry on being Cultural City 2013 and also to be able to congratulate you on being able to welcome the 62nd Fleadh Cheoil Éireann. And it's an event that I am honoured and privileged to be patron of. I would like to thank the Derry Flock Committee for inviting me to join you for this great welcome. And I want in particular to thank those wonderful musicians who gave that wonderful, wonderful welcome to Sabina and I. I want also, as President of Ireland, Maruk Tron Heaney, to say in particular to all of you who have travelled from abroad, how welcome you are all to Fleadh Cheoil Éireann and to Derry Londonderry. This is a wonderful city in a way that can regard itself as a great symbol of the Irish diaspora. Just recently I was in Iona and I was able to see the wonderful connection that had been reforged between Derry Londonderry and hÉireann Iona. Rather Torfir Havachtak. But to all of you who have gone abroad and to people who have gone abroad before you, there is an extraordinary thing that binds us all together. Irish culture, and as well as that, the Irishness that is expressed through music and through all those activities that are sponsored by Comhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann all over the world. It is this music that is part of our souls together. It isn't owned, it is shared, and it is passed from one generation to another. Agus is alcod lornach in Fleadh Cheoil, I blin cultúr na hÉireann. Is alcodi bentare un múrcuid gníomhaíochta san ullumad pobl fuid na tíre gáth na bliana. Agus is alcodi ligan scoidú an táwan ceol, táwan hawráníochta, agus táwan dásta I ciliúrin